Hi, John from Diode. Today we'll be going over our SS3 fog light kit for the 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX460. We know you've been waiting, and we're excited to announce that our SS3 fog light kit is now available for the GX460. Our engineering team CAD-designed this bracket specifically for the GX460. You'll notice the mounting tab in the upper left-hand corner of the bracket features two sections, GX and All Else, ensuring perfect bolt-on fitment with the GX460. Not only will this kit give you a clean, modern look, but it will provide you with a significant increase in light output over any factory fog light option. Unlike other kits on the market that may require you to make irreversible modifications such as cutting or drilling, our kits are designed to be a direct bolt-on plug-and-play fitment that require no extra modifications. We offer these kits in two separate SAE compliant optics, one in a 6000K cool white driving optic that shines light downrange in a concentrated area of light intended to be used as a supplemental high beam, or our fog optic, offered in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow that puts light directly in front of the vehicle at over an 80-degree spread. And if you went with our backlit SS3, you'll have an additional amber accent light. If you're looking for an SS3 fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.